battle game, and there's already a tournament. Okay, let's do this. Okay. I have an idea, but I doubt it's gonna work though. Like,
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, good boy. Echo. Boy. Oh, heck no. No, she's tripping. Oh. Move out my way. Move out of my way, G. Oh, heck no. Come on. Move it. Move it. Now. It's crazy. Move. Get out of my way. I must win this tournament. Move out of my way. Ayo, ayo, ayo. No, no. No! But yes, no, yes, no. What the heck is going on? I'm losing brain cells right now. What the heck just happened? Ayo. Back up. I don't really care. I'm just going to shout out someone for no reason. Shout out to bubby1fub for actually doing this idea. Oh no! No! I'm dead. Jeez. Okay. Wait, I already have one equipped in the jet one. Yeah. Get knocked down, boy. That's this boy. Knock boy. Hey, yo, dog. What the heck? Boy. What? No. Real guest said I'm going to make you guys cringe. Okay. How would you give a few others? Wait, does he have Swift equipped it? I don't have that one yet. But does Blood have Scythe equipped? Wait, did you just try to turn into a train? Oh, heck no! Bro has Scythe. Bro has Scythe. Is he turning into a train just now? Come on, it's already. Ow. I just hit Marshall. Look for the tree with the code and put 455293. Okay. That tree. Is it this one? No. I swear, it's that one. Via a bracelet, how to. No, I fell.
Tragic events in history. Sonic.
So we're just gonna go over here real quick and I get that's good. Also, there's a free badge right there. If you want it. But I'm trying to look for the tree with the code. Which I think it's this one today. Cause it's random tree. It's always random tree. And back to the code. Okay, I guess it's not that one. What? Bro just lost his mind. Space. Someone just might want to move someone. Okay. I'm going to put the code here. If it has it, no touching that brick. Because it's correct, it does instantly kill a killer brick. But no, that's the wrong song. The actual song's for this is supposed to be Killer Fish from San Diego, Killer Fish. Is there a golden slapple here? Golden? No, but there is sadly no code here. Okay, this is also a badge. Just click on the orange to get the badge. So yeah. Probably the cake was it. Say, how was the cake alive? How was the cake alive? No. No. Oh, heck no. Jamal versus Code. The Code platform. The code on the tree over here. There's one. Yeah, there's no tree over there, so it can't be there. But there's only one more place. Would you? Circle tree. Does not have the code. There's this one though. What? Where the heck this code at? Space Jamal. You see, you will see the character level. Okay. No, I don't. Are you serious right now, bro? Bro. Okay, so to find it, and that's going to be the end of today's video. So, goodbye.